Hi, and welcome to Lowry Solutions. Today we'd like to introduce to you our security closure labels. These labels are meant for anything in the industry that needs to be sanitized, or you have a label that needs to show that it's been tampered with. These labels are mostly used in hotel rooms, cruise ship lines, automotive rentals, automotive dealerships, service centers, and many other places like that. What it is when the label is applied to the door and you go to peel it away, you can tell that the label has a void pattern, which means that this label has been tampered with. These labels come in 3 colors. They come in blue, red, and clear. All of these labels can be customized with your company images on the front and even barcoded. When you peel the label off, as we're going to do here, you can see that the void pattern is going to come through on the label. What's really nice is the clear. You will see the void pattern as well. Now, nice thing is you can thermal transfer print these on demand within your own facility using what you need to use at the time. Most customers will cut these into a barbell shape and put a light perforation down the middle, so there's 2 ways of destruction, or you can just have a straight label and apply it to the sanitized area.